We at the mill, we started to recognize that technology is becoming more and more of a tool that can be used every day. The new program that we're putting together is called Decision Ag Solutions, and what we're trying to do there is take the data and the tools and everything that we have within our toolbox and create value for the grower.
It's been a long time coming, but I think we have the staff and the knowledge to really make changes to a farm and really help them throughout.
So the way we're approaching Decision Ag Solutions is a teamwork between myself and Joe. I'm the boots on the ground in the field.
And I'm kind of the back end, dive deep, get everything in and out of the program. It's been 10 years that we've been working with Ag Studio through map shots, with me playing around with all the tools that it had available. We decided it was time, and we knew the program enough to really start diving in and trying to help our farmers kind of farm, I wouldn't say better because they're already doing a really good job of that, just kind of helping them get over maybe a hump that they have.
There's a couple of connected platforms that we have become very proficient in. My John Deere, of course, we run that a lot. Climate Field View, the Agfinity software, the Raven Slingshot, Ag Studio, and Granular are some of the platforms I think we've been able to easily connect with and kind of share the data back and forth to actually provide some value.
There's no requirements that you have to buy everything from the mill. DAS has been built to be its own separate entity of this company.
We start out with soil sampling. We can work with soil sensors to remap the fields, figure out where our variations are within the fields, kind of work towards some subfield management. Then we can jump into some variable fertilizer with the split bin capabilities that we have on our dry spreaders. We can go out and variable 2 different products at the same time. Right after we fertilize, we can move right into seeding. We can create some variable seeding scripts based on whether that's some of the soil sensor data, or we jump into kind of some yield management data and reallocate those nutrients and seed to where they're going to give us a better return on our investment. When we jump in, all right, crop's out of the ground, it's growing, let's use some satellite imagery.
Running on corn, beans, wheat, even barley, rye.
Where's our better spots in the field versus where's something that may be lagging behind? Is it insects getting in, weeds, whatever it may be, just a poor stand? And then we get in a little bit further into the year, and then we're talking about nitrogen modeling. So we've split applied already. Split application of nitrogen is crucial. So we've got out some that went out pre-plant, now we're talking about in season. So we're using 2 different nitrogen models that kind of help validate and do a little bit of predictive science behind how much more nitrogen that crop needs, given the weather pattern, the crop info, the soil info, everything that we've programmed in. And then we get to harvest time. So now we get to really figure out what everything actually did this year. How do our results look? So we can do some data management side. We can help pull that data off, put it into our program, and kind of start deciphering, all right, what hybrid did what was the gain there, or a fertility management, was it a starter versus no starter, some foliar application, what was it?
And also get it through our Tratera Insights engine, where they will give us a scorecard on how sustainable we have been.
And really that data piece is huge. So many of our technologies, equipment, programs, everything is giving us data, and we have the capability to be able to overlay all that and start drawing value out of it rather than just having your yield map printed out sitting in a book that's on the shelf.
We're just out here to help the growers get that ROI that they really want, maybe reallocating some seeds or some nutrients from one zone that's low producing to another zone that's already high producing, but can we really get that producing area to go even higher, which at the end of the line should help your bottom dollar.